checking in on May the 25th, 2009 from my exciting train ride on the old train, as you can see, very old train, from Palma to Soller. We're just approaching the mountains here. Soller, by the way, is on the Mediterranean island of Portugal. Here's another train. Look at that. We're in the train station right now. Stopping here for a second. Oh, now the train is going. Yep. Now he's going. There you go. You can see this train is very old. They're all wood carriages from the early 1900s. 1912 is when this train was built. And the train back is obviously very empty, whereas the train that I'm in is absolutely packed. It's full. So, you can see what the train looks like. Yeah, there you go. Hello. These people are doing exactly what I'm doing here. And a couple of other passengers here. So, that's the train from Palma to Soller. Now you got a great look of it, and I guess this is the train station where they actually stop and pass each other here. It's narrow gauge, as you can tell. Ah, we're going now. Yep. Somebody else is trying to come out here. So we're going. Nice experience here in the mountains. Beautiful scenery, look at that. Definitely heading into the mountains now. Let's see. See the train going around the bend. Very nice. Beautiful mountain town here. Beautiful mountain towns that you can find all over Mallorca, especially the north end.